Alright guys, so these are all the tools that I got to fix my iPhone. This is my iPhone. This iPhone right here was an iPhone that was in our lost and found for 6 months, and we left it. We tried to charge it all the time and leave it on just in case the person had to find my iPhone. Finally 6 months passed. This phone cracked. Look at that thing. It's so bad. I don't even know if this is fixable. But this thing is like gonna die if I don't like fix it. So I'm gonna put this screen on this one, and I just thought I just might take you through the process of doing that. I think I got these tools for like I think it was $14 with like shipping and everything. So if you guys want to get these tools to fix your own iPhone, I'll put a link in the description. If you guys don't have an extra iPhone to like replace the screen, I will also put a link in the description of a kit that comes with an iPhone, or not an iPhone, but an iPhone screen that you could just replace. But let's do this, guys. So according to the video that I was watching, the first thing you got to do is take out these two little screws right there, and they're the same on every iPhone. So right there. So we're going to take those off of both of the phones. And you're going to use this little orange one first. Alright, this is so tiny, so make sure you don't lose them. Now we're going to do it on this. Make sure to not cut yourself if your iPhone is completely shattered like mine. Alright, cool. Next thing is we're going to take our little suction cup thingy, and we're going to do this carefully, and then use this to pry it open. This little metal thing. So I'm going to try to do that on camera. I'm just gonna try to pry it open with this. Okay, yes, it's working. I'm gonna go back to when I open this. Alright. Alright, I'm sweating so bad, but this is what the inside of the iPhone looks like. Alright. Alright, so once you get your screen up, there's 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to unscrew every single one of those. And once you get those unscrewed, we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so once you get that little plate off, you're gonna, let me zoom in real quick. These little ribbon cables right here, you're gonna take those 2 off, and that's gonna detach the screen. Alright, once you detach these 2 little cables, there's one more right underneath that. Alright, so that's what a iPhone looks like without the screen on it. Just looks like a tiny ass computer. It's crazy. It's like a little city in there. Alright, now we're going to take this screen off. And yeah. Alright, so here's my iPhone. Here's the other iPhone. Here's the other iPhone screen. And since I'm not buying, like when you buy a screen, it's not going to come with the camera and the ID sensor and all that, or the fingerprint thing. So you're going to have to switch that over. And if you want to learn how to do that, I could just put a link in the description to the video where I learned how to switch the screen. Because that one teaches you how to switch everything. But I'm literally, my steps are so easy because I'm literally just taking a screen from a used phone and putting it on mine. So we're gonna do that now. Alright, once you connect it, once you have all the connections in, we're going to turn the phone on and see if it's working. Ah ha ha! Yes, baby! That's so awesome! Yes, okay. Let me turn it back off and secure everything. This is so dope.
You actually put the ideas up there.
Yeah, so I don't forget. Be careful not to strip your screws. I haven't stripped mine, and I'm not planning on it. And then just pop everything back into place. It looks so weird because this side, like this is the back of the white iPhone. It's not the same color. It's like this is like a weirder color. Something just fell out of this. Whatever, I don't care. That phone is unusable anyways. Awesome. Alright, now put the final 2 screws back into this thing and then you're good. Alright guys, that's how you change the iPhone screen. What if I kissed you right now? How would we explain it? Trying to imagine how it might